Police suspect that Joker has been selling drugs from his apartment. Without a warrant, they approach him at his apartment and ask for consent to search for illegal drugs. Joker agrees. During the search, police come across a stack of documents, which they read. The documents indicate that Joker is involved in creating counterfeit bills. Joker is charged with counterfeiting. Before trial, Joker moves to exclude the documents, but the prosecution argues that he consented to the search. How should the judge rule? The judge should grant Joker's motion and exclude the documents. At issue here is the scope of consent. For consent to be a valid exception to the warrant requirement, the police must stay within the scope of the consent, unless, of course, the plain view doctrine comes into play during the search. In our example, Joker gave his consent only to a search for drugs. Once the police spotted the documents, they should have realized that they were not drugs. Therefore, reading them was going beyond the scope of the consent. As such, the search and seizure of the documents was invalid, and they will be excluded from Joker's trial.